Hmm.
How it is?
It is nice.
Super. Super. So
Very refreshing,
what you
very
are drinking? What you are
Kiwi
drinking?
Mojito.
You are drinking kiwi. Very good. What is yours?
This is strawberry mojito.
Strawberry. Wow. What is yours?
Mine is a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. See, all are the rich bartender with rich drinks. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Very good. So here you can see people are enjoying. Of course, guests also will be in there. So this is how you
Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manos from the hospitality desk. We are here at our bar. You can see such a beautiful bar. We have a variety of alcohol, including domestic and imported. But today we are here to see varieties of mojito. So we have a bartender over here. He will tell how many varieties of mojito we will make. See, there is a lots of varieties of mojitos is there, but we are not going to make all. But I will show you some favorite and very delicious mojito flavor of mojito. Like what we are going to make today, which flavor will be there?
So today we'll going to make kiwi mojito.
Kiwi flavor, kiwi mojito.
And we have some fresh strawberry.
Wow.
And
Fresh
some
strawberry.
and some dragon fruit. Sir.
Dragon fruit mojito, kiwi mojito and fresh strawberry mojito. See, these all are most expensive mojito. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही expensive होता है. आप कोई भी मेनू चेक करेंगे जो fresh fruit डाल के जो mojito होता है, especially fruits like kiwi, strawberry and dragon fruit. So it's a delicious and flavor is like wow, yummy. So we'll see our bartender, Mr. Mintu, will make it today one by one. So I'll take a leave. So he'll make and explain how they are making and what are the process to make flavor of mojito. Thank you so much.
Today we are going to make the first flavor of mojito with some fresh strawberry. So what all we need? We need some strawberry, some mint leaves, and some sugar, and top with some club soda. So we are going to make now. So we'll do one thing. We'll cut this one. Just slice them and we'll put it in the glass.
Wow, see nicely. He's putting in the glass.
So we'll just gently muddle these two. You'll get lots of flavor from this fresh strawberry. Okay. Now we'll add some like few mint leaves, like it's. Then we need to smack that. We'll add some sugar and definitely lemon juice. So we'll use fresh always.
It's freshly used lemon, huh?
Yes, yes, sir. So this is basically half done. So we need some club soda for this and a spoon to keep some ice,
Cross eyes, huh?
crushed ice. Now we'll add some club soda. So basically we are not using any alcohol. So for this alcohol,
Here we can use alcohol too.
yes sir, we can use some white rum.
What rum you used to use?
Bacardi is the best one sir for mojito.
For mojito, Bacardi is the best.
Yes.
So guys, you can see Bacardi is the best for making mojito. White rum.
Yes, yes. You can,
Sometimes guests also used to request for vodka, right?
Vodka base.
Hmm.
so we'll put in fill top.
Full of crushed ice, huh?
Yes, sir. Now we'll garnish with some fresh mint spring. We'll put it here, and for garnish, we'll use fresh strawberry. And we can use a straw. So finally it will looks like this sir.
So wow, now you can see here we have strawberry, Mojito is ready. Strawberry mojito. Wow, excellent. So what is next?
Next, we'll make some fresh kiwi, sir. We can make with some fresh kiwi. We got
Wow,
kiwi
so
today.
it's a fresh kiwi, huh?
Yes, sir. So we'll keep this aside for garnish. And we can peel it because this is skin. So we need to remove the skin.
We need to remove the skin, correct?
Yes, sir. This well ripe.
Hmm. It's
So-
fully ripped, I think.
Yes, sir. So money.
Rib is
We need
good
a glass.
for the taste.
Hmm.
So one more glass. Just keep the glass down, yeah.
We'll
Good.
put here. It's nearby, near to us. So same thing. We'll add some more mint in this. And we'll muddle, slightly muddle. So once we muddle this, so we'll get like
Lots of hotel and
Flavor,
restaurant we can find they're using the grass and all.
yes, sir.
But
best,
always-
best is, sir, fresh food.
Always we used to use the freshly fruits.
Some sugar.
This is what? Lemon juice.
This is sugar syrup, sir.
Sugar syrup.
Lemon will use the fresh one, sir.
Good.
Freshly squeezed. That's it. So we'll add some ice.
Crushed ice, full of crushed ice. Huh?
Yes, sir. And here need some crushed ice, no?
Need more crushed ice, I think.
Yes, sir. So gently stir this one. And we can add some soda. The ice, এটা ঢেলে তারপর ice-টা ঢালতে হবে।
Yes, put more crushed ice.
Yes, some soda. So once we pour the soda, so avoid to stir the drink because the soda is fizziness, no? So the fizziness will dilute easily.
Very good, very good. Excellent.
Now
So here you can see kiwi mojito is ready with garnish of freshly slice of kiwi.
yes, sir. And we can add some mint also. So this
Wow.
is also, you can have a look. This is also,
So two already ready. One is strawberry, another one is kiwi. Very good. What is next?
next money we can make with some dragon fruit.
Money will make the dragon fruit. Very
Yes.
good. The next is dragon fruits mojito. So first you have to cut the dragon fruits like this. Wow, just take care. So Mani is cutting
We
dragon
got
fruit.
that white one, sir, today.
But sometimes it is red too, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But this is also quite nice for mojito. It's very
Healthy, good.
very nice.
So not too much. You have to take very little, freshly cube cutted. Wow, good. How he is put it the dragon fruits on the glass. Crushed ice, full of crushed ice.
I'll get some.
Simple syrup.
Very good. Simple syrup. Lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. But here more ice came. Wow, more crushed ice. Yes. Club soda.
Ice.
Garnish with slice of
Fresh.
dragon fruits. Wow, wow, wow. Very good, very good. See, now the third one is also ready. Here we can see the first is the strawberry mojito, second is the kiwi, and third one is dragon fruits. All the most expensive mojitos ready by Mintu and Chintu. All right, so you can see all three mojitos are ready. Thank you so much, guys.
Sir, waiting for your taste, sir.
Yeah, of course, we'll taste
Please,
some.
please, sir, give it a
We'll see how the taste is. We'll let you know, and of course, how you learn. Please let us know and comment us if you learn something from this video. So we'll keep updating, lots of videos like this. Let's see how is the taste.
How it is?
It is nice.
Super. Super. So
Very refreshing,
What
very
you are
refreshing.
drinking? What you are drinking?
Kiwi Mojito.
You are drinking kiwi. Very good. What is yours?
This is strawberry mojito.
Strawberry. Wow. What is here?
Mine is a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. See, all are the rich bartender with rich drinks. Okay?
Yes.
Good, good. Very good. So here you can see people are enjoying. Of course, guests also will be enjoyed. So this is how we have to make flavor of mojito. Very good. Thank you.